You can bring cameras in there, right?
Did the lens come off?
They didn't say anything yesterday about it.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're telling me cashes. Aren't you like
Camera.
I'm ready to see the one and only Nikki.
Hey, that's right. We're going to see Nikki. And that's my period. My camera is blurry, y'all. I gotta get another lens, but we gonna make it do what it do. Okay. You can bring cameras in there, right?
They said you could.
So. You know what that
and let it go. Let it go. It's okay. Let it go. Arms, I love you so much. I hope that every day you are blessed more and more. You deserve it.
Hi. Day 2 of Rolling Loud. Got our
Day 3 for me.
Yeah, day 3 for her.
Oh, they got it there.
But day 2 for me, 3 for her. We're gonna come tomorrow and see Future and Metro Boomin. O3 Grio's performing. We're about to go see Summer Walker now.
Yes, Summer.
She's gonna kill it on stage.
Yes, we about to be in a vibe, chill vibes for day 2/3.
And that's all period. And then is it tonight? Oh yeah, Post Malone, he performing too. So we're gonna go see him.
You know how Giant Nights be like, oh, they felt like working today. I hope Summer feel like working
Exactly. Okay. Summer, give us a show, babe. Okay.
This parking was $60, girl. I hope you feel like working tonight, girl.
And last night we seen Nikki.
Yes.
She's not really a barb, but I'm a barb, you know.
You gotta specify, you a 3rd tier barb.
I'm a 3rd tier barb. So I was explaining to her earlier, it's 3 tiers to barbs. So I'm a 3rd tier barb. No. So a 3rd tier barb, I just love Nikki down, love her rap skills, love her as a person. 2nd tier is the barbs that's gonna argue in the comments and do the most. 1st tier is the one that's popping up at people's house. I know y'all seen that guy popping at people's house and arguing, doing the most. See, I'm a 3rd tier, okay? I ain't with all the extra stuff. So that's the 3 tiers of barbs. So I'm a 3rd tier. She's not really any tier, but
I'm not. I'm just a fan of the music, child. Until Nikki pay me, I'm just a fan of the music.
But yeah, child. So I'll see y'all when we get inside. We gonna see Summer. Bye.
Oh, you ain't top off. Oh, you ain't Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you ain't big stones. Oh, you ain't 2 Instagram. Oh, you ain't ringtones. Oh, you ain't train on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin. Oh, you ain't wings in. Oh, you ain't hands on. Oh, you ain't seen it. Oh, you ain't demon. Shoot out the demon. Man. Oh, you ain't king. Yeah, now that was scream. Yeah, hey, you went flying business first. Hey, you went.
We're here at Rolling Loud, finally, during the sunlight, okay? Finally. And that's our period.
3/4.
Yes, day 3, yeah. It is gonna be lit. We just missed Chief Keef. I'll do a little outfit with some name holder real quick. I'll do it this way.
Or do it down.
I'm just wearing some little, I'll do it down a little bit. No, do it. Do it down. Okay, I'm just wearing little shorts, little top. What are y'all wearing? And we gonna be lit. do the thing. You want me to hold it down or up?
Hold on. Let me see. Do it up. Down a little. Okay.
Describe your fit.
Pants, Zara, hat, Urban Outfitters.
Yeah.
Cardigan, Ross, tube top, Forever 21.
Period.
Purse, Telfar, and yeah.
That's alright. We lit, okay? We're gonna try to meet up with some of our friends and see the vibe. See y'all in a bit. Bye.
Drive around the world, and you went brown like a squirrel. And you went sitting down pearls. And you went Rolls Royce car. And you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want wall it all my hole. Oh, you wanna line it all up. Hey, I wanna play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field, not the field. Hey, you want...
We got one more checkpoint to go through. Okay. We gotta look through our bag and then we're inside. We're inside. Cute faces, period.
The lens come off?
Huh?
Does the lens come off?
They didn't say anything yesterday about it.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keepin' it street. We keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Tiny streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. Boss them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Tiny streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. When my dog get low in his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga. We get it. We splitting it up. If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I'll take her ass shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on business, standing on bitches ain't nothing to pipe that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. Ain't nothing, shit. We turn the jeweler up, just look at the diamonds we bust. Look at the people we touch. Shit, I'm feeling like Puffy and Russ. I'm singing this shit like a toilet, little nigga so nasty, I never been flushed. Go! Bulletproof ravers and came with a kid on it. The shit too light, it kick it, you spin on it. Hundreds of bands, I put a little shit on it. Dope in my hand, I had to go flip on him. He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak, we keepin' it street. We keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Tiny streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. Boss them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Tiny streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. Boss them up. Ricky Sneaky.
All these bitches trying to get hit, make a hoe wet. Looking at diamonds on my neck and on my wrist. Niggas ain't bullshit. Walk through the club with an F and N in this bitch. Treat her like Ray J. How? She wanna talk to the kid, make one.